behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, autonomous period underway. 456 Siege Robotics, like we've seen them do all day long, dropping that gear on the peg in that fully pre-programmed autonomous routine. The engineers sound like they're trying to shoot. That's okay. 60-point advantage for the Red Alliance in that autonomous period. Team Gravy getting themselves in position, getting the gear. Coming across for the Blue Alliance. Big hit between Gravy and One Clay Army. Lots of tough defense being played by that red machine from Orange Park. Gravy dropping off that gear, teetering on the edge. Second rotor turning for the Blue Alliance, Red Alliance. The same, 2 rotors apiece. Once again, Gravy and One Clay pushing off each other. Those 2 red machines at the loading station. The engineers first to drive away. Looks like they've got 2 gears in that machine. 1 inside the robot, 1 in the hopper. They'll get a penalty for that most likely. 54.72 dropping the gear, unfortunately. 9.45 Banana and 4.56 in an epic battle right here. 4.56 coming to us from Virginia, trying to shut that lane down. 40 seconds left to play. 2 rotors, 3 rotors red, 2 rotors blue. Here comes Endgame. That sound means there are 30 seconds left. Robots can now climb those ropes. The engineers don't look like they were hooked up, but they lost it. No robots connected just yet. There goes the engineers. Climbing to the sky. There they go. Oh, not quite able to get that trigger. There it is. Yes, it's staying lit. 456 is up. 3, 2, 1. Last second climb there by 54.72.